Yeah, thanks, Runkai. Great answer. So, let's see what's our next question. Which chains will we see next? Well, there's actually another one live already, which we haven't announced yet. So, any detectives might be able to figure out what that is. It begins with an A, I'll tell you that much. You can probably figure it out from that. But we'll be doing an announcement soon on that. Ultimately, I think we're just looking to integrate any EVM, initially EVM based chain, which has adoption and which adds value, really. I think, would that be fair to say, Ronka?
Yeah, definitely. And obviously, I think we are also integrating GMPs, driven message passings. Kind of projects like Exila, I think we'll be quite open with that. We're looking at other projects as well. I guess we are agnostic. Obviously, we have limited resources. We can't integrate every blockchain one by one by one by one. It just makes sense for us to integrate like a project like that, and straight away we are connected to say 4,000 different blockchains. And in our case as well, it makes sense for us not to just rely on one. If they, for example, for some whatever reason, black swan scenario, they are offline, and then we'll be screwed, isn't it? So we have to be agnostic about it. We have to have multiple pathways. We just integrate multiple different GMPs, integrate different things on our own, and it makes sure that there's no redundancies upon redundancies. I think in a decentralized network like us, it makes a lot of sense. And a lot of these GMPs, some of them are pretty decentralized. Some of them are actually not. Again, they claim to be decentralized, but once you follow the data trail, you follow the documentations, and once you hit a black box, it's a black box for a reason. It's a black box because they are kind of centralized, and we can see it, we understand it, but we're still going to use them as long as we have multiple different pathways. That's fine.